I just love working out. I mean, in these last 3 months, I've gotten to a place where it's been just fun. I literally just finished working out right now, and I did a leg day. Went in and actually found Jared, which you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you see that I've been working out with him as much as I can. Keep in mind, despite having the same birthday, Jared and I are completely different age groups. Like, he's in his 20s, I'm in my late 40s. Yeah, I just enjoy it. So it's no matter if I'm doing a leg day where it includes doing squats, or if I'm doing a pull day where I sneak in some deadlifts or what have you. Man, I found myself enjoying it now more than I have in the past. And I guess it's because I kind of have a couple of guys that I meet up at the gym who I can get a workout in with. Now, Clark is also one of them. He's also camera shy, so you don't ever see him in any of these videos. But having somebody like Jared is always really cool in the fact that, having someone to work out with really does help the scenario. I mean, it really does. So yeah, so no matter what I'm doing, even if I'm doing some, hyper extensions or whatever that is, it's always fun to do it. And to be consistent at it. Like, I even did like a mod workout with some of the trainers there. Like, here's Ron. So I did upper body. Now I can't see. Thanks to Ron though, he's the man. Tell everyone hello.
Join us, guys. Join us, Morris. Join us. Come to see me.
Yeah,
let's go.
Yeah, come see Ron. He's gonna make you sweat like this in the mornings. Doing a mod, high intensity training workout was actually a ton of fun. So I can't express enough just how fun this has been for me personally. Like I said, today I went in and did a leg day. It felt really good. Woo! And it was a bit challenging, but I'll say this for myself and for those of you who are joining. I mean, I'm not on a ton of supplements or anything like that. Like, I do whey, which I typically just use the Optimum Nutrition, the 100% whey, which is this one here. And then I was on creatine for a while, but I cycled off of it because I think I was putting too much of it in, or it wasn't digesting properly because it was making me bloated. Anyway, or maybe I was taking it with magnesium, which, I'm trying to get my heart rate and everything, my blood pressure down. So maybe that's part of it. I don't know. To be continued is what I say. But yeah, I just enjoy working out, and no matter if it's at the local 24-hour fitness that I'm a member of, or if I'm just, trying to get in a few push-ups here or there, it's always fun. So my advice to you would probably be to, take some time to take care of yourself. Self-care, whether it's going to the gym, doing some cardio, getting a run in, whatever you enjoy. Now, keep in mind, if you're going to make this part of a lifestyle, you don't want to do something you don't enjoy. Like, I don't enjoy 5Ks. Like, I would rather get in a fight with Omni-Man. Yeah, I would rather do that than run a 5K. But, I've been talking with a couple of friends of mine, and I'm like, hey, a challenge for me would be able to get in good condition enough to wear my Deadpool costume again, which would be actually kind of fun to do that again as I'm approaching the big 5-0, because I haven't done it in years. I think I haven't put on the suit in 5 years. So either way, find something you enjoy, go do it, and hopefully you make it a consistent thing, that's kind of what I'm doing right here, is being consistent with it, and you'll enjoy it. And having someone to work out with is always a lot of fun.